This is the main elevator at the Meriden Park Plaza office building in Wesleyland near the airport. This is a Montgomery elevator. The original Otis Lexan elevator was ripped out. Schindler slapped on Epco WN signature fixtures on the inside of this elevator. The call buttons are still original though. Pretty big elevator for an office building. 4. And yes, this elevator does serve parking level 3. Here at 4. P3. And that's it.